started the recording. We have to do exercise D today, right? Yes or no? Children, reply.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Sleeping class, my sleeping students, my sleeping beauties, please reply. Everybody is behaving like I'm talking in Spanish and you don't understand this language. हिंदी में बात करूं बेटा? आप सबने कल आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन ब्रीफ कर लिए थे? अब आया जवाब. Very nice. Everybody is willing to talk in Hindi, huh? English is a problem? Is English a problem for all of you? I don't think it should be. Now, we have to start with exercise D. Exercise D is answer these questions. Now, there are only 3 questions in D exercise. We are going to do that today. I'm going to share screen with you as usual and you are going to do the work. Agree? Fine? Yes? Ready? Good. All of you take out your copies.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. What is wrong? Yes, children, I have shared screen with you. You can see this question from here, answer these questions and start writing. D exercise question number 1.
Ma'am, we have to not do front of one question.
You don't have to do what?
Ma'am, we have to not. Ma'am, we have to not write front of the one question. Ma'am, 3.
3 क्वेश्चन तो आपने कर लिया ना बेटा, कल किया तो था.
Yes,
क्वेश्चन
ma'am.
नंबर 3 अब उसके साथ ही लिख दो जैसे मैंने लिखा है सेम पेज पे. अगर आपका पेज बचा हुआ है, नीचे जगह है तो ऐसे ही लिख दो. ठीक है?
Good morning, ma'am. I know what we are doing. We are doing
Very good, very nice. Clapping for Akshaj. He knows what is to be done. Start doing Akshaj, beta.
Ma'am, please share the new screen.
Let everybody do, na? Then I'll share. I'll share the whole PDF today in D group.
Ma'am, from starting work.
Yes, right from the beginning, from difficult words till answer the following D exercise. Everything I'm going to share.
Ma'am, from chapter 1.
Wow, Ankush, amazing, beta.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Scroll up. Okay, now I'm changing the screen, children. I hope this much you all have written. Yes. Yes. Now see from here and write.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, of the friend just written answer. Ma'am, please share the first one. Ma'am, please share the first screen.
Okay, okay. So many have not done the previous screen. See, this is the previous one.
Ma'am, please send. Ma'am, please. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now you are changed.
Okay, now you are changed or now you can change. Ankush, now you are changed.
Ma'am, now you can change.
Yes, now you can change.
Ma'am, I mean good morning, ma'am.
I mean, good morning. Okay, good morning, beta. Who is this?
Ma'am, I am Aradhya.
Aradhya, joining the class late, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, please, ma'am, please share the first one.
Listen, beta. Everybody, I'm sending the whole PDF here on the class group. Okay, don't worry. So those who have missed the previous work or something, you can see the class group. The work is there. Yes, here it goes. Also, the work is being posted in 4D group. 4C and there is 4A group.
Ma'am, but Isthmus is from sixth chapter.
Yes, it is from 6th chapter. Now, beta, see, these two chapters are interlinked. Why? Because in this chapter, we have studied about all the water bodies, and there we have studied about all the landforms. So, where do you find water bodies? In between the landforms only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, like how isthmus and strait is related, lake and island is also related. They are different in some way or the other. One has land all around, while the other one has water all around.
Ma'am, island and ocean is related.
Island, and yes, islands are found in oceans. They are found in seas. So I'm going to, after this work, I'm going to give you a combined worksheet of both the chapters.
Ma'am, now you can change. Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, please scroll down.
Beta, I have scrolled down.
You
See,
can change. Ma'am, can you change the
no, so many students have not done it. Just wait.
Ma'am, can you do next page?
What, beta?
Ma'am, can you show the next page?
Everyone has done this page. Can I change the screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, I am following last line.
Now I'm changing the screen better. Okay. Yes. The last answer is here.
Ma'am, where? Okay. Ma'am, I have done third one. Ma'am, I have done third answer also.
Okay, Ankush. Okay, better. Underline it. Start underlining it. Do you do your work neatly? Do you do your work neatly? How can you do it so fast?
Ma'am, you saw from PDF. Ma'am,
Everyone has done?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm stopping this screen share.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'll wait then. Rest of you can beautify your work till then. Start underlining, start highlighting.
Ma'am, then you can stop sharing screen. Classes also, yaar.
What?
Ma'am, next class is also, yaar. Ma'am, next class is of Hindi grammar, not test.
No, it is not SST.
It is of Hindi grammar.
Okay, now here stops the screen share. It goes. Fine. All of you have completed this chapter? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think Vedanshi was still doing.
If you are still doing, then do it from the class group because enough time has been given to complete the work.
Ma'am, now what will we do? The new chapter?
No, we're not doing new chapter. We will do this thing. We'll do a small worksheet. Just 2 or 3 questions I'll be giving you. Okay, tell me you want to do worksheet right now or you don't want to do?
Ma'am, oral one.
Oral work. Okay, I'll type answers in the chat box.
Yeah, ma'am.
And you can also
Ma'am,
type the answers there. You will type answers there only.
Yeah.
Okay?
Ma'am, direct this.
Direct. And these questions will be based on this chapter and the previous chapter because both are interrelated. The first question comes in the chat box. What is an isthmus? I'm waiting for your answer.
Ma'am, I written. Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I sent.
Okay, Akshaj has sent, Vedanshu has sent. No one else has sent. Why so?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay, Aradhya. What about Riddhi Singh, Mubashira, Alark, Alamkrita, Unsha, Taranveer, Ankush, Arsalan, Aman? So many students. Yuvraj.
Ma'am, Aman is not in the video.
Aman is not in the.
Ma'am, means I am doing my chapter 7.
Out of so many children, only two answers are there in the chat box. Very bad. Next question is, what is an island?
Mama sent. Yeah, I am also sent. Ma'am, I have also sent. Please check.
Okay, covers all with water. Area which is surrounded with water. Island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. Small piece of land that is surrounded by water. Okay, good. Number of answers have increased. Next. Now, what is the next question? Okay, I'll speak the question. You will type the answer. What is a lake?
Ma'am, what?
What is a lake?
Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am, I have sent the answer.
Very nice. Very nice, Akshar, Vedanshu. Arsalan, no beta. It's a small water body. Who said it's a small water body? It can be very, very big. It can be as big as a sea. It is not a small water body. It is not a pond. Pond can be a small water body. Next question is, what is a sea? What is a sea?
Ma'am, I have sent.
A large area of water, but not as large as an ocean, is called the sea. Very good. Sea is a large area of water. Very nice. Big water body. What is this big water body to the pond? What does that mean, Arsalan?
Ma'am, pond से बड़ा.
Pond से बड़ा. You will write to the pond. Than the pond, beta. Bigger water body than a pond. But pond is a very small water body. So how can a sea be compared to a pond? Right? Sea can be compared to a lake if you have to say that it is bigger than a lake. There is no comparison. When you compare two things, they should be close to each other. But a lake and a sea is not even close.
Caspian Sea is the largest lake.
Yes, it is the largest lake. That is what I'm saying. A sea and a lake can be compared to each other. But how can a sea be compared to a pond?
Pond is the smallest body.
Yes. Will you ever explain an elephant saying that it is bigger than an ant? Elephant और ant का कोई comparison हो सकता है? नहीं हो सकता ना? Similarly, pond और sea का भी comparison नहीं हो सकता. If we will compare an elephant to some animal, that animal would be a rhinoceros, a hippopotamus, a similar kind of an animal, isn't it?
Or ma'am, a whale.
Whale. Okay. Yes, because it is largest water animal. What you are
saying?
I am saying, I was saying it to you from such a long time. You didn't hear even a word. I was saying you can't compare, you cannot compare. In your answer, you have written that it is bigger than a pond. A sea is bigger than a pond. You can't compare something as vast as a sea to something else as small as a pond, beta. When you compare two things, those two things should be close to each other. So pond or sea का कोई comparison नहीं हो सकता, like the way we cannot compare an elephant to an ant. If you will be told to explain how an elephant is, what kind of an animal elephant is, will you say elephant is a very big animal, bigger than ant? हम ये तो नहीं कहेंगे ना कि चींटी से बड़ा होता है, because it is so big that it cannot be compared to an ant. I was explaining you this. Next question is, what is a desert? What is a desert? What is a desert? No one has answered.
No, I am turned down.
A large area of land. It is called a desert. Okay. A large area of land. But a large area of land can be plain also. It can be plains also. So if you want to explain, if you want to describe a desert, you will say a large area of barren land. Okay, it is important to use the word barren when we talk about deserts, because deserts are not fertile, but plains are also
Okay.
a large plain area which are very fertile. A large area of sand where there is no water is called a desert. Okay, fine. Deserts are large areas of land that receive little or no rainfall. That is also correct. A large area of land, it is called desert. No, okay. I already spoke about it. Okay. Now, children, I think you should move for your next class. There is no time left, just less than 1 minute. So I'll end the class here. Bye to all of you.